Cash App is quickly emerging as one of the most important financial apps in the digital world. Another emerging technology, Bitcoin, is now almost half of all of the Cash App's revenue. We're going to show you how to buy it today on the Cash App and also why it's important. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto. If you like what you see today in this tutorial and Bitcoin explanation, make sure you guys hit the like button, smash it. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel, and you can learn a lot more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So here we go, guys. We're on the Cash App website. Now, what's very interesting is on the homepage of the website, cash.app, it gives you a little story of someone that wakes up, gets some cash into their Cash App account. It shows their balance. They spend money on coffee via their Visa debit card that's linked up to the Cash App, not to a bank. That's good for people that might not be able to get a bank. But then at the end, it says 5 p.m. direct deposit hits. Do you buy Bitcoin or do you cash out instantly to another bank? With Cash App, you decide. Now, it's very interesting that the Cash App is pushing Bitcoin here right on the front page. You may be wondering why they would do that. Well, the founder of Cash App is, or the founder or CEO of Square that is behind the Cash App is also the CEO of Twitter, and his name is Jack Dorsey. And in the crypto world, we say he's very bullish on Bitcoin. He really likes Bitcoin. He believes that it will become the currency of the internet. So if you don't own any Bitcoin, but you do use the Cash App or you're thinking about using the Cash App, then this video will be for you because we're going to show you how to buy it through the Cash App and tell you why it could possibly be a good idea. So as you can see, I'm really OCD, so I've got everything in nice little folders. So here in my crypto folder, I have the Cash App. That's right, I do consider Cash App a cryptocurrency application. You click on it and here we are. We are on the main Cash App page. Now, from this page, you can request cash from someone else, or you can pay someone. You would just put kind of an amount in there and you would hit request. You could put the person's cash tag, or you could hit pay if you wanted to send money. So you can send or receive cash that way. So some people are really used to using Cash App. This is all they go there for, is to send and receive cash. But the Cash App has a feature that allows you to buy Bitcoin. Now, if you've never used the Cash App at all and you would like to do that, I do have a link in the video description. You can click, and when you click that link and you download the Cash App, I get $5 cash money to buy more Bitcoin with, and you also get $5. So really, just by downloading the app, you can buy some Bitcoin. So hey, that's a win-win right there. So here we go, guys. We're going to show you how to do it. You click on, as you can see here, the top left-hand corner that has a little circle with kind of, a faceless avatar. So you click that, and then it goes to your name, and it shows you how much you have in cash on the app and how much you have in Bitcoin. As you can see, I only have 50 cents right now. So I have bought Bitcoin on here before, but unfortunately, there is a verification process for being able to send it in and out of a wallet. And some of you guys might run into that roadblock. We're going to also talk to you how to fix that. So as you can see, I've got 50 cents in Bitcoin right now. Yours will obviously say 0. It will have your bank listed below. If you scroll on down the page, it's got some kind of, some more things, but that's not what we're interested in. All we're interested in is we are interested in the part that says Bitcoin here. So we're going to go back. I'm going to show you how to get to this very fast. You just click the top left from the Cash App homepage. You scroll down to where it says Bitcoin, and then you just click Bitcoin. Now you can buy any amount. So basically right here, all you do is you would click buy. Now you would hit buy, and you can buy up to $10,000 worth of Bitcoin. Now, the Cash App does not allow you to buy anything outside of Bitcoin that it's cryptocurrency. So you cannot buy Ethereum or Litecoin or Ripple, aka XRP. If you've heard of any of those cryptocurrencies, you can't buy them on here, but you can buy Bitcoin. And right now, Bitcoin is crushing every other cryptocurrency, so it would probably be the one you would want to buy the most. So all you would do is put in an amount, $10. What I tell people is this. I say, listen, if you want to get into Bitcoin, the Cash App is a great place for you to buy a small amount and then just watch it. And if the price goes up and you get interested, you do some more research, you can move on to other ways of buying Bitcoin. But this is a good way for anyone to get started. For $10, most people could afford to lose $10 if the price went way down, which I don't think it's going to do. But for $10, it's just enough to put a little skin in the game, maybe to get you interested in Bitcoin. So I've put $10 there, and then I would click buy. So it's going to facial ID me, as you can see there, because I have my face in my phone. I'm one step away from the matrix. But there it is, boom. All you got to do at that point to complete that is hit the confirm button in the bottom right-hand corner. So as you can see here, it says to complete your purchase of 0.00102332 Bitcoin. So you can buy a very small amount of Bitcoin. A lot of people think that you have to buy a whole Bitcoin. The price right now is, somewhere around $10,000, give or take when you're watching this, maybe a few $100. But the fact is, you can buy a very, very, very small amount. You don't have to buy a lot. Now, a lot of people, including myself, believe that eventually the price of Bitcoin is going to go to six figures and maybe even above that. And I think that's actually a real possibility over the next 5 to 10 years. So even by buying a small amount, you could actually be doing yourself a lot of financial good. Now, you're not going to get rich off of $10 worth of Bitcoin, but like I said, it might be enough to get you interested. So here we go. Let's X out of here because we're not going to confirm the order right now. Now, if you want to sell that, if I want to sell that 50 cents of Bitcoin I have here in my account right now, I would hit sell, and then I could sell 49 cents, so it charges a small fee, and just hit sell. It's going to facial ID again. And I would just hit confirm, and I could sell my 49 cents of Bitcoin, but I'm going to keep that because it might be worth $3 one day. But that is how easy it is to buy and sell off of Bitcoin. Now, if you wanted to withdraw or deposit directly into your, we call it a Bitcoin wallet on the Cash App, you have to verify. So you have to send them a picture of the front of your driver's license and the back of your driver's license along with a selfie. Now, as you can see here, mine says verification in process or in progress. That's because I actually tried to do this a few weeks ago and I got declined for some reason. I don't know why. I do think my face is good. I don't know. What do you guys think? Drop me a comment if you like my face. I'm totally kidding. Don't do that unless you really want to. Which I'm probably going to get a lot of negative comments on my face. That was really dumb. But anyways, I digress. So they declined my verification. I don't know if it was because I was outside and maybe there was too much sun in my picture, but they are pretty particular about this. So one of the reasons I tell people to buy a small amount of Bitcoin on the Cash App is because you do have to go through that verification process to be able to send it off of the app. So you can't really do much with it. You could either buy it or cash it out. But if you wanted to send it to a wallet and maybe make purchases with it, then you would have to do something totally different, which is verify, and then you're actually going to have a Cash App wallet that is going to help you to be able to send and receive Bitcoin a lot easier. Now, I would say this, Cash App is the first step of Bitcoin for a lot of people. There are much more, advanced exchanges and Bitcoin wallets out there, but this is a good first step if you're interested. Now, if you didn't know, the Cash App is starting to blow Venmo away. This is a Google search, and you can see, or Google Trends, you can see from 2014 to now that Cash App is totally caught up with Venmo. It's the trendy financial transaction app of choice, especially of the younger generation. And you may not have known this, but this year, the Google Trends may be similar right now, but Cash App is blowing Venmo away. PayPal, that actually owns Venmo, you may not have known that. PayPal said Venmo was on a $300 million run rate for the year. However, Cash App is on a $540 million rate for the year, so much higher. And also, the Cash App has done $135 in revenue over the quarter number one in 2019. It also did $125 million in Bitcoin revenue that it is not counting there. So that's right. Square doubles down $125 million via Cash App in quarter two. That was not quarter one, quarter two, $125 million. This is a booming app. It's only going to be getting bigger. It won't be long before it absolutely just blows Venmo off the map, in my opinion. And it's good if you're in the crypto community as well, because you have Jack Dorsey, who is a Bitcoin maximalist that loves Bitcoin only. and he's really helping to push this across his app, across Square, which is a great thing in my opinion, as I love Bitcoin and I want to see more of it. So that's all we got for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know if you've been watching the channel for a while, this is a very beginner tutorial, unless of course you never used the Cash App, then maybe that was good for you to see as well. If you'd like to see more tutorials and more content like this, make sure you drop me a comment below. Don't forget to smash the like button and hit that subscribe. BitBoy out.